All right, children, let's do this. Let's show you how to start a Wix account. Assuming you just put an email in there, sign up. I've already done that part. So when you get to the sign-in sheet, they ask you a couple questions. Let them know you want to create a blog for yourself. When they ask you if you want ADI to do it, say yes. We're going to make a news blog. That's the news blog, and then we can click next. We're not going to do any of those things. The name of your blog, I'm just going to write sample for now. Moving on, we can skip this section for where your business is located. And then we're going to go next. I'm just going to show you some of the blog options and how to put a post up, put little features up. You can pick any of these styles, play around with them once you create a Wix account with your email address there. We'll have a class account, but you can pick one yourself and then just make one with your own email so you can play around with it at home. Got a lot of different designs. We're just picking this. Again, you can choose whichever designs you like. And then for edit, you can edit them. Let me see here. Yeah, on the bottom right-hand corner, there's that little play button. And then there in the little pink text there, you see intro video. You can watch the intro video, and that'll basically get you up to speed. That's all I watched. And then I was good to go. But I'll show you what you want to do. You want to click on edit. There'll be a bunch of different little things you can have on your site. I'm keeping it clean. I'm deleting everything. The little picture of the runner, the big discover sample on the top. You could keep it if you want to play with it. It's something, one of those things that like when it scrolls down, the picture just moves with it. But away it goes for me. And then now you have your blog there on the bottom. They put 3 posts in to begin with. You just click there on the blogs. Oh yeah, there's other options too. Each blog post has like author name, view counter, comment counter, likes counter, login, sign up buttons for folks. You don't want any of that. This is just a class blog, and we don't want to get comments in there or likes and have people start, monitoring that one. We're just sharing the ideas. We're not sharing the likes. So you click on manage up top there, edit your posts. Let's see here. The top part in the big bold is the title. Like I said, I want all blog posts to start with read, all podcasts to start with listen, and then all videos start with watch, and then you can put a title afterwards. I recommend you write your blog posts on a Word document. I'm just using sample, writings. Copy and paste it so you can put it onto your blog. So yeah, I've deleted what Wix had there to begin with, put my own little writing in there. Clicking on that button, you can upload your images that you have. Recommend you have one image that's like your main picture, and it'll be your cover picture as well. Then you can maybe add a couple more images. And as you can see here, once the picture's done loading, you can set images up or settings up for your image, make them smaller by clicking on the little buttons in the top. That'll make it small. There's a medium and a large, and then those 2 buttons align left lets you put the text to the right. See how that little cursor's blinking? I'll copy and paste some text right there, and then boom, you can make it really look like an article and have a little picture next to some text. Have a big picture on the top if you'd like. You can caption the picture, Pavo. So that one's done. And then next, we'll show you what else we can do. We can also add a video. That's the other medium we need you to write in. Do that by uploading your video onto YouTube. You have the URL up there. Real simple. Just copy. And then you're going to paste it on the bottom. Click on that one. Add a video. Paste the YouTube address. Done. And then it'll pop up. You can't see it while you're in the publish mode, but once you publish it and you preview your site, then you can see the video playing. And that's real nice. So the last thing you can do is I ask you to have a podcast. You can put your podcast on SoundCloud, create an account there too, just like you created a YouTube account. What I'm doing, watch my blog. Oh yeah, so once you do a video, a typical format is you just have the video big. Then you have maybe like a 2 or 3 sentence description on the bottom. In some cases, you could mix medium. Like, for example, I'll show having a podcast and having it maybe in between an article, like your entire article. You could do that with video as well. Just review that one with me. there. That's where you can put the cover image. If you have multiple pictures, you can choose which one shows up when you're on the little preview on your main page. We got Pavo there. So for SoundCloud, hey Pavo, you can go ahead and click on share. And under share, there's going to be two options, not more. Share. You want to click on embed, which is to the top to the right. Not there it is. And then copy that code. You're going to paste it onto your Wix there by clicking on insert HTML code. Click that right. That box will pop up. Click on add HTML. Paste that SoundCloud URL there. Update. Click it. And now your SoundCloud podcast is going to be on there. I just picked a song right now, but that'll be your podcast. And then, like I said, you could have your podcast stand on its own with just some text under it. And that can be just your podcast post. On the title, you write listen, and then the title of your podcast. Or if you want to collaborate with another student, like you made a great podcast about, let's say, Pavo, and then your classmate wrote a big article about Pavo, you guys can collaborate. And you've seen this on some professional publications. You'll have an article with a little podcast right in the middle of it so that someone can read what they want to read, and then, oh, let me hear some people talk about it too. So it's just up to you, full creativity. That's basically it. Don't forget to click publish changes on the bottom right. And there you have it. And that's the 1, 2, 3s. Pavo!